So today we are starting chapter number 20, statistics. So it's a very interesting chapter, statistics. So what do you mean by statistics? So it's basically related to data. So it is the collection, analyzing, interpretation and representation of data. So basically in our daily life we see that there are different conditions in which we need to collect, analyze, interpret and representation of data. So there may be different types of data. So in this chapter we will learn all these things. So first let's see what is data. So data, I told you, here we are talking about numerical data. So it might be ungrouped or grouped data. So ungrouped data is also known as raw data, and the second type of data is group data. So ungrouped data is also known as raw data, and second one is the group data. So in this chapter we will learn different methods to represent the data and to calculate some important values that we need in our daily lives. So for example, I'm telling you about that about your report card. So when you see your report card, so in that there are different types of data. Okay, there's a collection of data, means it's showing your marks in different subjects and different terms, first term, second terms, half yearly and all that. And they are also showing the average marks, that is your percentage. So by looking that we can analyze that and we can interpret it, and we can easily find some values, that who is the topper of the class and whose performance is best in a particular subject. So all these things we need to collect the data and to represent it in a well manner, so that we can analyze it and we can get some information from a particular data. So in our daily life there are different places and different things in which we need to record the data and analyze and interpret it. So all that things is come into the statistics. So in this chapter we are going to learn different things. So let's see raw data. So raw data is basically a single value, like suppose 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. These are the raw data, and some data that's you have seen that is in the form of groups, like 0 to 5, 5 to 10 and 10 to 15. So these are the group data. So we will learn both the ungrouped data as well as the group data, and we will learn different terms and how to calculate that things. So one by one we will discuss all.